The Trade Confident account itself is up $220,214 for the year. Our break even is $320,000. We are absolutely crushing it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Today is December 27th, and Ethereum has made a major jump in the market, contrary to yesterday's analysis, and I wanted to provide an update on what we're looking at. As the imminent Bitcoin ETF release gets closer and closer, we're seeing some absolutely wild behavior from the crypto market. Yesterday, everything was down like crazy. Today, we're seeing pumps as high as 8 or 9% from some coins. So we're going to go over Ethereum, see where we're likely to head next, and talk about what we're doing in order to profit no matter what happens. Check this out. All right, we're over here on the TradeConfident.io website. I am super stoked. We've officially hit 117 wins, 0 losses on our trading record. Now, this is the highest percentage trade record we can find on YouTube, and I know it sounds crazy, but let me show you. I know this is a big claim. 100% win rate is absolutely crazy, but if we go to the view performance record, you're going to see every single trade here we took starting on February 22nd, going on through today. Each of these little green cells is a 1 trade, 4%. We're getting into the 6% trade wins now. This one was a 10% trade win, and at this point, we have 2 active trades for you to take. And spoiler alert here, we are expecting some drops soon. So as the price of Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies in general begin to drop, we will be calling out more trades for our members. So you're not going to want to miss out on that. As a heads up too, we have a brand new future forecast video. This is where we're trading up to a 400% profit, $1 million profit account challenge. Yesterday's video showed that the Bitcoin crash has already started and how we plan to profit on this drop. Now, Bitcoin sold off during Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, liquidating hundreds of millions of dollars worth of long trades. The selling is not stopping, and we've been calling this drop in the market, which is why we shorted Bitcoin and are currently in profit. This video is going to tell you all about that. It's showing you exactly how we're short trading Bitcoin and everything you need to know of why. The Trade Confident account itself is up $220,214 for the year. Our break even is $320,000. We are absolutely crushing it, and you can follow along with us in the future forecast videos. You do not want to miss out. If you want access to those amazing trade setups and this future forecast video, it's at least 2 videos a week. You're going to want to snag a membership at the links in the description down below. I'll show you exactly how to do that later. I'll give you a little bit of a website tour as well. For now, let's start talking about Ethereum. Now, as of today, we've actually surpassed structure resistance at $2,332. In yesterday's video, I honestly did not expect us to pass through that, but we do have another resistance, our current high for 2023 at $2,403. This is a major move to the upside, nearly 6% in today's candle. Now, yesterday, I was looking for a candle close right around this support level. We got pretty darn close, and today's candle absolutely bounced off and rocketed to the upside. This is interesting though. We can see here price versus while money flow is even. Trades in favor is even, very nearly in its short trade zone. Typically when we see interesting readings like this, I try to go back in time and see if we can find a similar reading. The closest I could find is right about here. Price versus while money flow was high after staying high for quite some time and went horizontally. Right here, trades in favor was high and moved horizontally as we were testing a previous structure resistance, and as soon as we got a sell signal, we saw a ridiculous move to the downside. Now, in general, if you're seeing price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, especially with the sell signal, you're going to see moves down. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal move down. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal move down. Very, very consistent on how this plays out. So at this point, because we are testing a resistance, price versus while money flow is fairly high, trades in favor is high. If we get a sell signal at either of these resistances, we will be looking for moves back to the downside. And at this point, the main structure support I'm watching is this ascending structure support and the horizontal structure supports sitting at $2,142 and $2,029. Either of these structure supports are going to be very important to watch. But keep in mind, once again, we have to break through this ascending support structure first. The last 2 times we touched this resistance, we moved down to that same 2,142 level. I don't think this is going to be any different. But through the Bitcoin ETF, we are expecting moves up in the general market. In Bitcoin, as high as $45,000, maybe $46,000. This may carry Ethereum up to a new 2023 high or 2024 high. We're not quite sure yet on the timing. The Bitcoin ETF is set to release by January 10th. downsides, so it could be early 2024 when this happens. But a very slight move up, followed by a market crash as whales have already bought the rumors. They're going to be selling the news at the point of the Bitcoin ETF. Lots of money is going to flow in. I think we could see a move up to a maximum of $2,492. If we scroll way back here, you're going to see exactly where that sits, right at this previous resistance level. I'm not expecting any major moves from Ethereum. I honestly think that it's going to be a while before we see a break. I think Bitcoin has officially seen its mid-market top. It may retest previous resistance as we are doing actively on Ethereum, but I do think for the most part, the top is in for 2023 and it's all downhill from here. Even if we see temporary moves up, I think it's going to be really difficult to surpass 2,403, at least on Ethereum, with a slight possibility of that move up to $2,492. From there, a rejection and move back down to $2,142 or $2,029. And just to prove this even more, if we head to the 1 week time frame, now we're seeing the same thing on the 1 week, but we're actually more bearish here. Of course, we are still testing those resistances, but price versus while money flow is high, trades in favor is high. If we get a sell signal, just as we did back here, price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, we got a little bit of a move up, followed by a massive drop. Now, before we wrap up, I want to show you some more crucial data. We're going to go over to the tradeconfident.io website and head down to the Ethereum Metrics. Now, Ethereum traders are feeling pretty excited right now. We're looking at the emotional index here. When traders feel excited, this is typically where you're seeing moves back down in price. It's very consistent. Green zone on this chart, whether excited or greedy, typically results in moves down in price. So we got to watch out for that. Ethereum is looking bearish on that account. We're going to skip over a couple here and go straight to the Ethereum whale smart money metric. If you want to know where Ethereum is likely to head, you need to watch whale money movement. Now, after a pump like this, most often whales are going to begin short trading. This is because they've already made their profit here. They're going to sell off, take some profit, and begin short trading to make money on the way back down. It's as simple as that. Where while money goes, the price is likely to go too. This shows what whales are likely to do soon with a little bit of short trade likely. We should be looking at the whale money flow relative to price chart because this shows what whales are doing actively. Now, over the past few days, we did see a general rise in Ethereum whale money flow, but we are seeing a tick down. If this move down continues and whale money continues dropping out of the market, this will be catastrophic for the price of Ethereum and we should be seeing major moves to the downside. But from this point, if whale money continues moving up, I think we could move all the way to that $2,490 range. Last but not least, here is the Ethereum trade signals chart. Once again, if we see a sell signal on any of these candles as we test resistance, expect moves to the downside. Sell signal move down, sell signals move down. We did get one sell signal back here that resulted in a short squeeze, but I think we are done with that for now, especially with just about every single other metric and indicator pointing bearish. Now with that, I just want to say I really appreciate our traders. They are making crazy profits right now. It's absolutely insane what they've been able to accomplish. With our membership, this person 3 times their portfolio in 30 days. Absolutely insane. This person covered their member dues for the year. Great stuff. Using the information from those future forecast videos up here. Once again, members only content. You do not want to miss this. Members get access to the future forecast videos, trade setups here, where we are currently 117 wins, 0 losses with 2 active trades. More of those trades are incoming as the market drops. Next up, our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout is actually coming up this Thursday. You do not want to miss this. Travis, Josh, and I, the Trade Confident staff, are going to be live giving trainings, answering questions, anything you need. We're going to be here for you at 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific time, December 28th. Tomorrow. Do not miss out on this. And of course, there's many more benefits, but the next one I want to tell you is members get massive discounts on our Pro Indicator Pack. Now, once you have your membership, it's going to be the very first link in the description down below for you. You're going to click the access coupon code link here. This is how you're going to get the first of 2 discounts on the indicators. I'm talking $150 off here. Once you have your membership, you're going to click the access coupon code link there. Write that down and then click Pro Indicator Pack. You're going to scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that coupon code and fill in your information. Click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a total discount of $550. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and do not miss out on the next trading signals. You want to watch closely.